Hi, my name's Scott Franks and I'm here at Progressive Chrysler Jeep Dodge in Massillon, Ohio, just minutes away from the Pro Football Hall of Fame. It's a great day here. Not only is the sun shining bright, but we're unveiling the all-new 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. What an exciting new vehicle. We're really excited about it here. As you can see, a whole new, sleek, very modern, very contemporary design, but yet we've kept some of the signature features of a Jeep. This 7-slotted grille, all 7 continents conquered. When this thing comes up behind you, you know it's a Jeep. Moving along to the side here, you have 2 different engine choices. You have your V6. It's an all-new V6. The new V6 will achieve about 11% better fuel economy. But most people, when you're achieving the better fuel economy, what am I sacrificing? Horsepower? Not in this one. 40% more horsepower than the previous model. Okay, so not only do you have the power, but you're also getting better fuel economy. You can also get the V8 in this model. With the V8 and the right tow equipment, you can tow 7,400 pounds. So it's going to do everything that you need it to do. Really, really large brakes, huge brakes. Allows this vehicle to stop nearly a whole car length faster than anything else in its class in a 0 to 60, all things considered equal. 2 of the great new features that this model is offering is the Select Terrain. The Select Terrain, when selected on the inside, we'll kind of go over that when we sit down in there. You can select your terrain. It'll automatically calibrate the suspension and the powertrain for any kind of driving condition you could possibly be taking on. Also, the other feature that's really cool, the Quadrilift system. The Quadrilift system will allow the vehicle to be raised or lowered up to 10 inches in difference, okay? To take into account very low, you can lower the vehicle and increases your aero for better fuel economy, or you can raise the vehicle for your off-road conditions, and it achieves the best-in-class ground clearance. So again, very excited about this vehicle. You can see the very high belt line right here. It increases the safety immensely. You have the most safety features of any vehicle in its class. You have side impact head curtains, seat mounted side airbags, airbags for the front, any outboard passenger. Even the headrests are active headrests. When you're in a rear collision, they actively angle themselves ergonomically for the driver's head, reduces your opportunity for whiplash. Just unbelievable. Moving along the back side of the vehicle here, just to briefly describe a few of the options back here on the back side. You'll notice right along here, it's your rear park assist system. It's sonar. Okay, so when you put the vehicle in reverse and you're backing up, as you're approaching an object, you'll hear the audible alert as you approach an object to kind of give you fair warning, hey, there's something back there. Okay. Also, mounted right here is your rear backup camera. Also, with the vehicle in reverse, on your radio display, it will display the image of the vehicle behind the vehicle. Any object that could be back there, you'll actually see that object. Okay. Another option that I kind of wanted to show, right here on your key, you have obviously several different options: your unlock, your lock, your remote start, your flipper glass, and your lift gate. Now, when you do the lift gate feature, you'll see obviously that the lift gate will automatically open. You come out with a handful of groceries or whatever, you're trying to open it. No, 2 times on your key, unload. It's all right there. It's at a very ergonomically designed height for your lower back. You're not worried about any of that. You're not in pain or anything. This particular model actually has the lift gate button here. You don't want to use this one. Just push the button on the pillar and then it will automatically close. The design on this is so user friendly. Everything and anything you could possibly think of, it's got. One of the upgrades, so to speak, from the previous model is you have a significantly lot more legroom here for rear passengers. They took these into account that when people are driving them, they're going to have families or friends in these back seats. So we've increased the rear legroom by 4 inches. The rear seat actually folds down. One touch, you basically just lift this thing, it does it all itself. Okay, completely flat load floor here. And the seat backs actually recline with this lever here, just like the passenger or driver. For comfort, you can recline the seats back. Very comfortable. Now that we're on the inside of the vehicle, I just kind of want to briefly describe a few of the options that are available on here, and kind of describe a little bit about how they work. Sometimes in these vehicles they can get pretty complicated nowadays. A few things: you have your driver information center called an EVIC. It's Electronic Vehicle Information Center. You'll notice your compass and outdoor temperature is located up there, and all of your scrolls are right here. Your vehicle speed, your trip information, your auto terrain, tire pressure, PSI, for example. Let's select that one, and it shows you the individual tire pressures in each of the tires. Going back, this system is very elaborate. Vehicle information, messages, it'll alert you in need of an oil change, system setup. Whenever you select these things, this is where you can go through and change all of your personalization settings. Lights, horn, locking procedure. It's a very sophisticated system, but it's so user-friendly. Everything's a finger touch right there. It's very safe that you don't have to take your eyes off the road. We have our U-Connect system. The buttons are located right here above your scrolls for your EVIC. Voice recognition and telephone. You can press the button, sync your Bluetooth phone to the radio, and it will store your phone book for you. It'll place a phone call for you by simply touching a button on the radio. I can place a phone call because of my Bluetooth enabled phone. There's also a hard key on the stereo for that.
U-Connect phone.
Call Progressive.
Calling Progressive Dodge. Work, is this correct?
Yes.
Calling.
Notice that it puts your the dial from your phone book that I have in my phone. Dan Gordish, please.
1 moment, please.
Dan's the sales manager here. I'm just going to kind of show off for him a little bit.
Both Progressive Chevrolet and Progressive Chrysler Jeep Dodge are Monday 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tuesday through Friday 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Saturday.
Phone call completed.
I think he's kind of busy at the moment. That's a good thing. But you can see that the system is awesome. It'll place a phone call for you. Call home. It'll do all of it. Also on here, it's completely touchscreen, AM, FM. You have a flash drive capability. This system is a hard disk drive. It'll store thousands of songs for you. And it also can download pictures, and you can put them on your screensaver, your house, your boat, your dog, etc. You can plug in your iPod, your MP3, any music device, play it through the speakers in the vehicle, and use the controls on here rather than spinning your iPod. Navigation. It's a GPS navigation system. Also, it has the available of real-time traffic going down the highway. Right over here on Hills and Dales, we have construction right now. It'll tell us that there's construction ahead and reroute us. Awesome system. You'll also notice in your center stack here, we have our electronic climate control. Not only does this have your heated leather seats, but it also has ventilated seats to keep you cool. Electronic stability control, tow haul mode. This even has a heated steering wheel. And here is the button to turn off that park assist system if the audible alert becomes somewhat annoying.